What's up, guys? Got a few little things I want to unbox. Got a Mighty Mouse inbox, which is cool. I saw a different mouse inbox the other day that I should probably pick up. That'd be kind of cool. Let's see. Yeah, this one. Got iPod Nano. 7th gen, I believe. Yes, I believe these are 7th gens. So it's actually kind of cool. Gotta go with the red one down on the collection. Let's open this one first. Alright, here's this one. A little shuffle. That'll be cool. I don't believe I have this color, so that'll be cool. Yeah, I don't think I do. Plus it has a dock, which is neat. Awesome. And finally, iPod Touch 9th gen? This is a 9th gen touch. I believe that's 7th. Sorry, no, I was doing math wrong. I was trying to remember the gens, but yeah, boxed at that, like sealed, which is cool. This will go really good with the collection up here. Yeah, that looks good by the 5C like that. Yeah, something like that. That looks good. I like that. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, I guess. Small little unboxing I wanted to document. So yeah, two sealed 5C demo, sealed 7th gen touch, and these three are not sealed. I don't believe. No, I know this one's not, and this one's definitely not. I've opened that one before, but they're boxed at least, which is cool. So that'll be really cool. Need a bigger shelf and run out of space. All right, thanks for watching.